So Jeff has a Tacoma, and it doesn't have any of the letterings. Do they come OEM like that though?
No letters.
So we got some letters here. We're gonna put it in because I think it looks nicer with it. So we're gonna try it out. Here, take the camera.
Do you just slap it on?
I think so. No, it's like a sticker. Just take it all off with it. Yeah. And your hands are hella dirty. Too late. No? Yeah. Here, go get the scissors. Is that one in? Huh? It's not straight? Oh, yeah. Yeah. What, the 8? Huh? Huh? Just fine. No, can't really tell. Huh? Yeah, looks dope. Damn, it looks sick, man. Tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. This is the TRD off-road version, so it doesn't have the black lettering. Got Chuck Norris here to sign it. You also got the, what's this, the TRD Pro? TRD Pro front grille, because it looks a lot better than the chrome one that it came with. And then we're hoping to get the TRD Sport hood scoop hood, because it's the only one. Only the Sport comes with the hood scoop. And damn, this car would look a lot better. Love this truck. It looks good. Maybe we could black out these letterings as well. And they have black bumpers too. Maybe we could black out the bumpers. Pretty cool.